Here is the Toyota Corolla. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem, put one finger right over there and then push it left. While it's pushed left, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot and let it go. Once the hood is open, that right there's the air box, we need to get the cover off. For that we need to undo two clips. One over here, just pull it back, and the second one right over there, pull it back as well. Now we need to lift up this cover, but we need to make sure that there's two tabs over there, they get out of those two slots. So slide those tabs out of the slot, one over here, the second one here. Now we can comfortably lift up this cover, and that gives us easy access to the air filter. Grab the filter and take it out. The way this works is the bottom side is the dirty side, all the dirt is trapped there. The top side is the clean side. So outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the top goes into the engine. If you want to buy a new one for your car, check the link in the description to buy it from Amazon. Now before you put the new filter in, if your airbox looks very dirty, you can vacuum clean it if you like. The new filter should be the exact size as the old one, and it should just drop right in. No movement when it's in place. None of the edges should be sticking out. That is looking good. Now let's put this cover back in position. But first thing, we have to be sure that those two tabs, they go back in the slots. Otherwise you'll not be able to put those two metal clips back on. This one is in position, and so is the other one, and that is good. Now just press down on the cover and let's put those clips back in position. This is the first one, and that's the second one, and that's about it. Now to close the hood, first push on the hood, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.